Good afternoon. It is March 11th, 2024, and today, um, I guess you could classify it as a reversal day. I mean, we could just be correcting to making a 50% correction. Yeah, I mean, we're at the midline of that. So that's where we could be, uh, if we get a bear breakout of this channel, we could head down. But really what happened today was we had this bear channel from Friday, and you get a break and a move to a new low, and we just reversed. So we'll take a look. I've been looking at the chart all day, so it's not, I didn't mark it up, but I know what's going on. So 5 o'clock comes in during this sell-off, and then we kind of bottom out. And so let's see if you had your so this makes complete sense to want to get long here. Problem is, this isn't, the signal bar is terrible. Your entry bar is right here. But it looks like we made a measured move of that first move down from yesterday. So when we bounce there, you get a double bottom. It makes sense to want to take that. And if there's enough room for a scalp here, yeah, so there's enough room for a scalp there. So I like this one. And then we come back to the trend line. And we're just going sideways. And it sells off to the bottom of the channel. And this break and move to a new low isn't as clear as it was on the ES or the MES. You can see a clear break on the MES, move to a new low, and then we get two legs of correction and another leg down to a new low. So, it depends on what chart you're looking at. Unfortunately. And I mean, maybe if I just make this steeper, then it tells us a different story. But still, you don't get a break here. I mean, if you make it like that, yeah, and you still don't get a break. So I mean, it just depends on how you're looking at it. Anyway. So we get this sell-off, and then it reverses. And then you get this nice second entry long right here. There's a couple reasons I like this trade. It's looking like a range day. Price action on both sides of the EMA. This is a nice channel down, but there's some bullish buying pressure in here. Some pretty good bull bars. And so it's a failed breakout. And look at this bull leg, pretty strong. Correction, bull leg, pretty strong. Three big, not big, but three bull bars closing near their high. And so then you get a second entry long. Look at how much, that's a great entry. So I think you got to take that one. And it goes to the high, what turns out to be the channel. We come back down. Boom. You get a higher low here, but it's not a good looking setup. And I think that really does it for the day. There's no good setups in here. You have the second entry long here, but we've come up short of the trend line a few times. So it could work, but it's looking like the bears might be in control here. So and there's just a lot of sideways stuff, a lot of dojis. Not a great setup here. So Anyway, I hope everyone had a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.